way to Popeyes to get a chicken sandwich. I got my dang on chicken sandwiches. Oh my gosh, the line there was so long, but it kind of went fast. If you was sitting in the dang on drive-through, then it would probably took longer. So I got them, and I'm gonna catch y'all when I get home. I'm back in this thing, and I got my sandwiches and my fries, and yeah, I got my drink. Y'all, the one that I went to, it was so packed in there. They didn't even have no more tops for the small drinks. So, I got my fries, and I'm gonna be answering y'all's questions and stuff. My questions that I'm gonna be answering. What's your favorite number? I don't have a favorite number. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is shrimp Alfredo. Y'all, I'm just going back and forth to both of them because I don't know which one I want to eat first. So I think this the classic one. Yeah, I think this is the classic one. So, excuse me, y'all. Y'all hear stuff in the background. So I'm gonna take my first bite. Oh my gosh. That's just so good. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay. Y'all went lying. Y'all was not lying. So the next question is, how old am I? I'm 16. The next question was, my first year of high school experience. I'm gonna do that video in a separate thing. So yeah, stay tuned. Would you move out of Jacksonville? Yes, I would. When I get older, I want to move. Is the sandwich good? Yes, girl. Oh my god, this sandwich is so good. I'm finna try the spicy one. So I tried the classic one. I'm finna try the spicy one. I don't know what they done did with these chicken sandwiches. But these things are so good. So good. I've been doing this. Let me stop here. Another question is what grade I'm in. I'm in 10th grade. This is my Q&A slash mukbang, so I hope y'all enjoy it. Just as much as me enjoying this soundtrack. I'm sorry, y'all. I can barely talk. Cause like, it's just so, like, it's not dry or nothing. That's the thing. Every bite is just so moist. The bread and all, like, oh my gosh. What's your to me? It don't really matter, as long as they genuinely care about it. Not a question everybody been asking me. Now that I'm tasting the dang on chicken sandwich, Popeyes or Chick-fil-A? Popeyes. I gotta give it to them for this chicken sandwich. Like, this one is so good. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram at prettygirl.d with 3 L's. Please and sure, thank you. I've been doing this. Two more questions. This gonna be a 10-question Q&A. Just fast facts about me. Yeah, that's just gonna be that. I know I already started eating it, but let's inspect the sandwich and see what's on it. So it ain't really nothing on the top piece. A piece of chicken in the middle, and there's some sauce at the bottom. I took the pickles off. That's it. It might be all the butter in it or something. They got people going crazy because this junk so good. Like the bread. Let me put this other one up because I'm getting kind of full. And y'all, I can eat both of them. I can't eat both of these right now. I can't. I just can't. I can't. I don't know how many questions I answered, but I'm gonna answer them. Do some more. What is your future career? I want to be an orthodontist, a chemist, a OBGYN, or a YouTuber. But you could do YouTube while you're doing all of those too. So yeah. I don't know. What's your favorite shoe brand? My favorite shoe brand is, I gotta say, Jordan or Nike. One of the, well, they kind of coincide with each other, but Jordan, because I just like their tennis shoes and their style of shoe. Not to say that I don't like nobody else's shoes, but I don't know. I don't know. I'm kind of like a tennis shoe type of girl, a tennis shoes and styles type of girl. So I'm gonna answer 2 more questions. I don't know. What's your favorite places to shop at? My favorite places to shop at would be Forever 21, Rue 21, or just stores like that, like cute girly stores. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Oh wait, I almost forgot. Let me give y'all a review of this Popeyes chicken sandwich. It is so good. It's worth the wait in the line to get this. It's so good and buttery and juicy and all that in one. Like, you ever had like a chicken sandwich that's just dry? Like all you tasted was just dry chicken. Popeyes got you. Popeyes, they got you. This joint is so good, and the sauce is good with it too. I like the pickles with it, but it was just like, I don't eat pickles on my stuff, so that's why I took the last one off. So yeah, but this is worth the wait. It's super good. And yeah, it get you full real fast because it's bread. So it get you full real fast. And I like it. I really like it. But that's the honest review of the Popeyes chicken sandwich from me. Thumbs up this video. Subscribe. See y'all in my next video. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at prettygirl.d with 3 L's. See y'all later.